Hey there, today we're going to look at how to use Trello for personal productivity tutorial. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to trello.com. Over here, click on the login button. Then log in using your email or Google account. After that, you'll land on the Trello dashboard. Over here, click on your account icon at the top right. Then select Create Workspace. After that, name your workspace and choose the type. Over here, write a brief description. Then click on Continue. After that, you can invite others by link or by typing their name. Then click on the name and select Invite to Workspace. If you want, you can also click on I'll do this later. Over here, click the plus icon under My Boards. Then name your board and click Create. After that, click on Add a List, give it a name, and click Add List. Then start adding cards to your list. Over here, name the card and click on it. Then assign members, add labels, create checklists, and set due dates. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next